Let's learn how to tell the time. Tick-tock, let's go! Round little clock on the classroom wall, 12 shiny numbers standing tall. Two magic hands begin to spin. Learning time is where we begin. Tick-tock, tick-tock. Tick-tock, what's the time? Sing it loud in playful rhyme. Hour hand slow, minute hand fast. Turn around the face so vast. Tick-tock, learn each day. Clocks can guide us on our way. 7 o'clock, stretch, rise and shine. 8 o'clock, breakfast time. 9 to 10, school bell rings. 11, 12, lunchtime brings. Games in the sun. 3 o'clock, story we share. 4 o'clock, snack we prepare. Tick-tock, what's the time? Let's keep rhythm, keep the rhyme. Hour hand slow, minute hand quick. Watch the seconds click, click, click. 5 p.m., clean up crew. 6 o'clock, dinner time stew. 7, bath with bubbles light. 8, good stories, kiss goodnight. Little hand short, big hand tall. Point and tell the time to all. Hour hand shows where hours stay. Minute hand counts steps each day. Call little hand at 3. 3 o'clock, yippee. Call big hand on the 6. 1/2 easy tricks. Bok, bok. Tick-tock, what's the time? Turn the gears in perfect rhyme. Morning, noon, and evening too. Now the clock makes sense to you. Tick-tock, what's the time? We can tell it line by line. Hour hand slow, minute hand fleet. Learning time is really neat. Good night, little clock. See you tomorrow.
Click the red button to play with us again. See you soon!